It's not easy to find a top quality vinyl cutter, especially if this is your first time interacting with these machines. To break it down for you, if you really want to make your work look professional, it would be a good idea to find a vinyl cutting machine that combines speed and reliability. Bad machines ultimately lead to poor quality output and, of course, frustrations. One mistake we've seen newbies make is that they mainly consider factors such as force, speed, and price when making a choice. This is a terrible approach. Instead, you should focus on the practicality of the machine and whether or not it's capable of living up to reasonable cutting standards or not. To help you make this challenging decision, we have reviewed some of the most sought after vinyl cutters. In addition, we've included some thoughtful considerations you need to make in order to land a printer capable of delivering intricate cuts for you. We have listed the top 5 vinyl cutters and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. Gemini GEM-M-GLO. Want a cheap vinyl cutting machine? The Gemini GEM-M-GLO is our top pick as it's a fraction of the price of most vinyl cutting machines. As well as cutting vinyl, it can also be used as one of the best embossing machines. And that's because it uses manual dies to allow you to get more hands-on with your designs. Sure, you won't be able to work with custom software to make your own designs, but for those who prefer not to use a computer for their designs, it's a brilliant option. You can pair the GEM-M-GLO with endless dies to never run out of options. It's controlled electronically and applies even pressure as you apply die cuts to vinyl, cardstock, and layered fabric. Number 4. USCutter MH871 Vinyl Cutter. The USCutter Vinyl Cutter is one of the best entry-level vinyl cutters out there. It is a reasonably priced vinyl cutter, yet able to compete with some high-end models and semi-commercial brands in terms of features, overall functionality, and performance. It's equipped with a 34-inch blade that can cut a variety of materials including paper, craft paper, paint mask, cardstock, standard vinyl, and heat transfer vinyl. The starter vinyl cutting machine has a max cutting size of 8 feet long and 30.63 inches wide with a cutting speed of 39 inches per second at a downforce of 350 grams. This bigger unit and speed means that it can handle bigger cutting tasks and deliver a lot of craft cutting without wasting your time. The machine is easy to use. It comes with the basic edition of Final Master Cut software, which has a user-friendly interface that allows even a beginner to design and print logos, lettering, pin stripping, and handle other related craft cutting tasks like a pro. Aside from that, its software has all the essential features expected of a vinyl cutting software, and it's licensed for an unlimited number of users, which makes this machine great for remote team working and collaboration on a single craft cutting project. Moreover, you can use this machine with a host of other software like SignBlazer, SureCut-A-Lot, and Scal. You can also use its inbuilt vectorization tool on all major file formats, while image files are converted into a ready-to-cut format by its image trace feature. Its blade holder is compatible with most economical vinyl cutter blades available and includes the spool function, which saves time for complex jobs by allowing you to send multiple cutting tasks to the queue so that the cutter can sort it out by color. However, it is suitable for simple projects and smaller runs and cannot contour cut or sustain its excellent cutting performance on longer, larger, or more complex jobs. Also, it has material limitations and cannot handle materials like reflective, tints, laminate, and leather. The USCutter MH871 vinyl cutter works well and demonstrates great value for money with its precise and customizable cut. It's very easy to use and little wonder why it's tagged as the best vinyl cutter for beginners. It's only when you start overloading this machine that you might get frustrated with its performance. So skip it if you know you need the cutter for longer and more complex jobs. Number 3. Cricut Explore 3. Need to work with smart materials? Then the Cricut Explore 3, the recently released successor to the Cricut Explore Air 2, is probably the best vinyl cutting machine for you. Cricut's smart materials allow you to cut projects without the need for a cutting mat. This means you can make cuts up to 12 feet long in one go. The Cricut Explore 3 cuts very fast, can cut 100 different materials, and yet it's quite affordable. It comes pre-installed with a premium fine point blade. blade housing, and an accessory adapter in the machine. You also get a quick start guide, USB cable, a power cord, and a sample of smart vinyl for a test cut. Note though that this is a mid-range model and not as powerful or feature-rich as the Cricut Maker 3. So if you need more professional features such as being able to cut 300 types of material, then you may find this premium priced vinyl cutter suits your need more closely. Number 2. Cricut Maker. Featuring a superior rotatory cutter that achieves an extra deep cut, the Cricut Maker offers you the freedom to navigate through a wide variety of projects including vinyl decals, paper crafts, and iron-ons, as well as dabble into leather crafts and sewing projects. The powerful knife blade, which is sold separately, slices through heavier materials and makes it easy to tackle sewing and quilting projects. Moreover, the adaptive tool system controls the blade direction automatically for enhanced precision. The machine comes with its own app, so you can lay out your project on your mobile device or computer and upload your designs for extra versatility. The Cricut Maker supports all common media formats and is easy to use, whether you're a beginner or a professional. A cloud-based storage is available so you don't have to store your files in cartridges. This vinyl cutter comes with improved software, which requires a high-speed internet connection to work. Alternatively, you can use the iOS Design Space app if you prefer to work offline. The integrated Smart Dial tool makes it easy to select the right settings with just a couple of touches. The Cricut Maker is one of the strongest machines out there, which is why we chose it as the best all-around vinyl cutter. Users mention how easy it is to program the machine and are happy with the gliding and rolling action of the improved rotatory blades, which cuts through all kinds of materials accurately and quickly. Number 1. Cricut Explore Air 2. The Explore Air 2 graced the markets in 2015 and since its grand entry has witnessed remarkable success. For starters, it's available in peach pink, mint green, and baby blue variants. One of the notable things about this unit is that it works quite fast thanks to its fast modability. Besides speed, the Explore Air 2 presents you with the ability to cut pretty much anything ranging from iron, cardstock, leather to vinyl. If you're the kind of person who pays close attention to detail, the Air 2 has just the flexibility you need to craft finer details. Talking about flawless precision, this machine boasts the capability to use Cricut pens which you can use to create handwritten projects. You will get the freedom to explore over 370 fonts. That means you can create customized designs in a matter of minutes. What's more, you can even go ahead and create your own custom font and store it for free. Isn't that so cool? Another awesome addition to this vinyl cutter is the Smart Set dial. What's that? Well, this is a simple addition that's meant to help you find the best settings for your upcoming project. So in case you love designing an award-winning network, this cutter is certainly up to the mark. And that's not all. You enjoy the freedom to design using a computer, iPhone, or even an iPad. Keeping up with other vinyl cutters from Cricut, this one also comes with Design Space software. The software is amazingly easy to use, plus it also comes with cloud-based storage. In case you're too busy to design your own stuff, you'll be happy to learn that there are dozens of pre-made choices that you can find for free within the Design Space repository. The only challenge with the Design Space software is that it is web-based software, and you'll therefore need to have a fast internet connection to use it. This can slow you down, especially if you're working in an area with poor internet connectivity. Fortunately for iPhone users, that is, there's the possibility of online access through the software's mobile app. So that wraps up our list for the best vinyl cutters. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment, suggestion for future videos, or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Legit Pick family. We've got lots of more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.